Good morning, students. So in the today's class we are going to solve the fourth main question. So let us read out the fourth main. Which term of the AP 3, 8, 13, 18 and so on is 78? So I have written the given arithmetic progression. So for this particular AP, first term is 3 and the common difference is A2 minus A1, that is 8 minus 3, which is equal to 5. And we have to consider this term as nth term or the general term of the particular AP. That is why I have written AN, which is equal to 78. Now we have the standard formula. We have AN, which is equal to A plus N minus 1 into D. So what is AN here? It is 78. So 78, which is equal to A, it is 3 plus N minus 1 into D. D it is 5. Now take 3 to the LHS, it becomes minus 3. So we get 78 minus 3, which is equal to N minus 1 into 5. N minus 1 into 5. So what is 78 minus 3? It is 75. So we get 75, which is equal to N minus 1 into 5. Now take 5 to the LHS, it goes to the denominator. So we get 75 divided by 5, which is equal to N minus 1. So after simplifying this, we get 15, which is equal to N minus 1. Now take minus 1 to the LHS, we get plus 1. So 15 plus 1, which is equal to N, or N which is equal to 16. So what does it indicate now? So the 16th term of this particular AP is 78. That we have to write. Therefore the 16th term of the AP, the 16th term of the AP is 78. The 16th term of the AP is 78. So this is all about the fourth main question. Then I will move on to the fifth main question. So let us read out the fifth main. Find the number of terms in each of the following APs. So here he has given two cases in the fifth main. He has given two APs and we have to find the number of terms. So that means we have to find the value of n. So first one is very much simple. So you have to solve that. I will go for the Roman number 2. Let us go for the Roman number 2 here. So let us solve the fifth Roman number 2. The given AP is 18, 15 integer 1 by 2, 13, so on, minus 47. So he has given this AP and we will have to calculate the number of terms. Let us go ahead. So here A is equals to 18 and D which is equal to A2 minus A1. So 15 integer 1 by 2 minus 18, A2 minus A1. So what is this now? This is nothing but 31 by 2. D which is equal to 31 divided by 2 minus 18. So let us simplify this. What do we get? See here, 2 will be multiplied with 18, we get minus 36. So 31 minus 36 will give us minus 5. So this is minus 5 by 2. The common difference is minus 5 by 2 here. And we have to consider minus 47 as AN. So and AN which is equal to minus 47. So this is all about the given data. Now we have to substitute all this information in the standard formula. We have AN which is equal to A plus N minus 1 into D. So let us go ahead with the substitution here. What is AN? AN is minus 47. So minus 47 which is equal to A it is 18. So 18 plus n minus 1 into d. d it is minus 5 by 2. So now take 18 to the LHS, it becomes minus 18. So minus 47 minus 18, this is equal to n minus 1 into minus 5 by 2. So now minus 47 minus 18 will give us minus 65. So we get minus 65, which is equal to n minus 1 into minus 5 by 2. Now we have to take minus 5 by 2 to the LHS. 2 goes to the numerator and minus 5 goes to the denominator. So what do we get now? Minus 65 into 2 divided by minus 5, which is equal to n minus 1. So here minus by minus it is plus. So 5 ones are 5 13s are. So 13 into 2 will give us 26. So 26, which is equal to n minus 1. And then take minus 1 to the LHS, we get plus 1. So 26 plus 1 will give us n. 27, which is equal to n, or n which is equal to 27. This implies n equal to 27. So here, this clearly shows that there are 27 terms in this particular AP. So this is how you need to solve it. So pause the video to note it down. Okay. Let us solve the sixth main question. Check whether minus 150 is a term of the AP 11, 8, 5, 2 and so on. So he has given the arithmetic progression and we have to check whether minus 150 is a term of this particular AP. So let us go ahead with the solution here. So I will take up the sixth one, solution. So given AP 11, 8, 5, 2 and so on. So here A, which is equal to 11, and then D, which is equal to 8 minus 11, which is equal to minus 3. And we have to consider this minus 150 as a general term or the nth term, that is AN. So AN, which is equal to minus 150. So it is minus 150. So let us substitute this information in the standard formula. So here AN, which is equal to, we have AN, which is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. What is AN? It is minus 150. This is equal to A, it is 11 plus n minus 1 into D. D it is minus 3 now. D it is minus 3. So now let us simplify this. Take 11 to the LHS, it becomes minus 11. So minus 150 and then minus 11. This is equal to n minus 1 into minus 3. N minus 1 into minus 3. Minus 150 and then minus 11 will give us minus 161. This is equal to multiply minus 3 inside the bracket. We get minus 3n minus into minus plus 3. So now again take 3 to the LHS, it becomes minus 3. So minus 161 minus 3, this is equal to minus 3n. So here this will give us minus 164. This is equal to minus 3n, or n, which is equal to minus 164 divided by minus 3. So here minus by minus it is plus. So we get n, which is equal to 164 divided by 3. So if you simplify this, now we do not get a natural number. So always n must be a natural number. Therefore, minus 150 is not a term of this particular arithmetic progression. So here n is not a natural number. N is not a natural number. Therefore minus 150 150 is not a term of the given AP. Not a term of the given AP. So this is the 6th question, and then I will move on to the 11th question. So pause the video to note it down. Then I will move on to the 6th question. Let us solve the 7th main question. So read out the 7th main question. Find the 31st term of an AP whose 11th term is 38 and the 16th term is 73. So let us go ahead with this particular problem here. Solution. Then given. See here, 11 is 38, whose 11th term is 38 indicates that 11 which is equal to 38 and A16 which is equal to 16th term is nothing but A16 is 73. What we have to find here? We have to find A31. So that is our to find. So here to find A31. So now I will proceed. See here. Now A11 which is equal to 38. A11 is nothing but the 11th term. How do you write the 11th term of an AP? It is A plus 10 times D. So A plus 10D which is equal to 38. I call this as equation number 1. Then I will go for this one. How do you write the 16th term of an AP? That can be written as A plus 15D. So and A plus 15D which is equal to 73. I call this as equation number 2. Now we will have to simplify equation 1 and equation 2 in order to get the values of A and D. Solving 1 and 2. Solving equation 1 and equation 2. So see here. First I will write this equation. A plus 15D which is equal to 73. Then I will take up this equation now. A plus 10D which is equal to 38. So now let us change the signs here. So plus A minus A get cancels. 15D minus 10D will give us 5D. This is equal to, so this will give us 35. 73 minus 38 will give us 35. Then D which is equal to 35 divided by 5. So D is equal to 7. So we got the value of D now. Now substitute D equal to 7 in any one of the equation, we get the value of A. That is the first term. Now put D equal to 7. Put D equal to 7 in equation number 1. So this is our equation number 1. Let us substitute D as 7. So A plus 10 into 7. This is equal to 38. This is equal to 38. So now A plus 70. This is equal to 38. A plus 70. This is equal to 38. Then A which is equal to 38 minus 70. A which is equal to 38 minus 70. So how much you get now? A which is equal to minus 32. A which is equal to minus 32. Now we have to find 31st term of this particular A, that is A31. Therefore A31 which is equal to A plus, it is minus 32. N minus 1 into D. N is 31 here. So 31 minus 1. N minus 1 into D. What is D here? D is 7. So D is 7. So A31, this is equal to minus 32 plus 31 minus 1 is 30. 31 minus 1 will give us 30. 30 into 7 is 210. So it is 210. So A31 which is equal to, so how much you get now? 210. 210 and then minus 32. So this will give us plus 178. So this is the 31st term of the given AP. So pause the video to note it down.